Hi everybody, it's Katrina. This is another one of my Mother's Day baskets. I did this one in green, yellow, and white. I used the green pajama set that I purchased from Family Dollar during the sale. And I placed the bag of Epsom salt, which is also green, that I got from Dollar Tree. And that is the Studio Select brand. I used the white bicycle that I got from Temu, and I placed the Dove body cream as well as a green washcloth in the bicycle. And I used the Cucumber Melon Boticology body cream as well as a towel. I also placed the lemon bath bomb in this basket as well, in front of the towel. And then I used some makeup wipes that I purchased from Rainbow. I used several shades of green to contrast this basket a little bit. And I did add that yellow balm to put a little more yellow in there. This basket was not expensive to make, but it is a high-end basket that I will probably put a good price tag on. I put my label on the back and wrote the size of the pajamas on there so that persons buying this would know what size it was. I think this basket turned out beautifully. And just a little shout out to Lady Di for the Bodabra. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed and be a blessing.